Welcome to our guide on how to create a group on Roblox using your PC, featuring the latest updates. Whether you're looking to start your own community or connect with friends and players, forming a group is a great way to do it. Let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left side menu. You'll see a variety of options, but what we want is the More button. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you should see a list of options. Find and click on Groups. This will take you to the Groups page where you can view any groups you're already a member of or discover new ones. Next, look for the Create Group button, usually located near the top of the page. Clicking this will start the process of building your very own group. Now it's time to fill out the required fields. You'll need to enter a name for your group, a brief description, and choose an emblem. Make sure your name reflects the theme or purpose of your group, as this will attract potential members. Don't forget to upload a unique emblem to make your group stand out. After you've completed all the fields, you'll need to pay a fee of 100 Robux to finalize the creation of your group. If you have enough Robux, simply click on the payment option, and your group will be officially created. And that's it. You're now ready to start inviting friends and building your community. Enjoy your new group on Roblox. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.